Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we're unboxing the complete Surfs Up series at the beach. First up, we've got the custom 62 Chevy pickup. This one's in a white with that big blue stripes on the side there, taking up half the side. Bit of blue stripe on the hood there too, looks pretty cool. It's got a surfboard or part of a surfboard in the back. It's got longboard decal on the side. It's got that cutout sunroof on top. Sort of green glass. It looks pretty cool, this one. And another, since it's custom, low sitting to the ground, pretty nice looking. I mean, I'm pretty biased and like the trucks that Hot Wheels make, but this, I don't know, in this color, it looks pretty nice. Yeah, I like this one. Next up, it's the cool Combi making an appearance in this series, and this time it comes in black. It's got a bit of chrome decal, well not decals, it's got a chrome base, so it's got the chrome bumper at the front there, big chrome bits at the back. It's sort of like a little drag Combi, isn't it? It's got the two surfboards hanging out the back with that nice big spoiler on the back and the surf shop decals on the side. I actually like it in black, not too bad. What do you all think? What's your favourite colour cool Combi? I don't mind it in this series, so yeah, it's pretty nice. Next, we've got the 71 Datsun Bluebird 510 wagon. I have to say it, I think it could be a crowd favourite. Lots of people love these little Datsuns, and this one is definitely not an exception. Again, this is in a blue. It's got that Surf Patrol decal on the side, some big white stripes on the front, number 71. Does it say Surf Patrol in that blue with the red wheels? I mean, look at it, it's a cool little car. I actually really like it. I'm with everyone else, all the Datsuns are pretty cool, but yeah, this one in this colour combination, yeah, it's quite nice. Yep, I like this one. Next up, it's the Surf Crate. Bit of a hot rod car, this one. Also came in a Super Treasure Hunt. This one's just the regular though. Not really a favourite of mine. I don't really like the fantasy cars in the main lines, but still, it fits with the series. It's got that surfboard hanging out the back, and it's in a metallic maroon, all that chrome engine. What do you all think about fantasy series, or this fantasy one in particular, the Surf Crate? Let me know in the comments down below. And last for the series, we've got the custom Ford Bronco. A little bit disappointed with this car. I don't mind the color combination, not bad, and obviously it's a custom, so it's got those big wheels, sits pretty high off the ground. The whole top is like plastic, a bit disappointing if you ask me. I know it's sort of like going for the roll bar look, but just it actually makes the car feel cheap, all that plastic. So that matte purple is not bad with the yellow wheels, it's just that plastic. What do you all think about plastic tops on cars? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget thumbs up for the video, and most importantly, subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels Garage. Thanks everyone.